Here's how you can change language in Dola AI app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Unfortunately, Dola does not have a language option. If you go to the menu and tap on Gear, over here you could find no such option as change language. So what you could do is, if you want to change language in Dola app, you go to the chat section and in the message box, you just need to go ahead and type in the language that you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and type in. So this is going to be the prompt. So according to your language, you want to type in and hit enter. So this is the way you could change language. However, there is no such official button you could go ahead and change. Alternatively, what you could also do is open up settings on your device. You could go to system. Then you want to go to language and reason. You then need to go ahead and look for app language. Here, you could tap on the search and type in Dola. If you can find Dola, then they provide different options. As of now, Dola does not appear under app languages. The app may not provide a separate language selector on your device. So you have to go ahead and use the prompt or the method that I've just shown you. So likewise, you could go ahead and type in the prompt and accordingly. So with that, you will be able to use the alternative method to change language in Dola AI app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.